So on this week's tip, I want to talk to you about making your multi-tool blades last longer. Replacement blades for an oscillating multi-tool, they cost a ton of money. They're expensive. Most people tell me that the trick to using a multi-tool, keeping the blades lasting, is to allow the weight of the tool to do the cutting and use light pressure. The better advice is to apply the proper pressure and to deploy movement in the material that you're cutting, blade movement. From my experience, too many people push way too hard on the tool, and that's going to cause a massive heat buildup at the teeth of the blade, which is going to prematurely dull the blade and smoke it. Multi-tools vibrate and they have a micro short stroke, and that design by nature does not remove waste from the blade kerf. There are 3 cut methods that you can deploy to make your blades last longer. The first is rocking the tool back and forth. The second is pulling the blade out of the kerf. And the third is to cut along your cut line evenly, as well as applying pressure. These cut methods all allow sawdust waste to find its way out of the saw kerf. This keeps the kerf clean, the blade cooler, and lessens the chance that you're going to burn your blade. Guys, I hope this helps. Enjoy the weekend.